What made me choose Sante over other brands? Hi, my name is Joel Fragata, Santified member since 2015. I joined Sante International, and honestly, it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Why? Kasi ang ganda ng reputations nila. Talagang may integrity. They walk the talk. Kung anong sinasabi nila, yun ang ginagawa nila. Pero, ang pinaka nakahook sa akin ay yung mga barley products nila. Sobrang ganda ng quality, nakakatulong talaga sa kalusugan. Parang bonus na lang lahat ng natatanggap ko after that. May free travel abroad, may car incentives pa, business, gadgets, even cash. Lahat posibleng makuha. Kung nakita mo ito, maybe it's your sign too. Let's go! Join Sante para sa health, integrity, at mas maliwanag na future. Ikaw, anong story ang Sante mo?